For this video, I will tell you how you can earn $5 for writing simple messages on a chalkboard like this one. All you need to do to earn $5 is to spend 10 seconds editing pictures like this. Here's a summary of what you need to do. First, you need to go to google.com and look for images with the keywords text on the chalkboard. After that, you will see that the results indicate an increasing demand for text on chalkboard images that people are actually looking for. Most people do not know that they can earn money from making and creating these images. They get paid whenever people use them online. For example, look at this image. You can try to click the visit button at the side and you will see that this image is for sale at $15 online. It means that you need to buy this picture for at least $15 to use it. Now, another chalkboard image is being sold for $12 even though there are only 2 words written on it. This one contains 1 word only and yet it is being sold for at least $20. There are also images such as this one that are being sold based on its various sizes. Try to scroll down below to see that its price depends on its size. Aside from that, you can earn a good amount of money from selling this type of image. We can easily create this type of image, yet the profit that we would earn from this is huge. This kind of editing does not need any kind of expertise or experience. You can easily do this even as a beginner. In this video, I will share with you how you can create these images without any graphic and photo editing skills. Again, you can get paid for every 10 seconds that you will spend making these chalkboard images. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. The first thing that you need to do is to go to pixies.com. If you're having trouble finding the site on the internet, you can just press the link on the description below. This will redirect you to the site so that you can also access the free tool that we are going to use for this video. In its dashboard, you can see that it says painting plus text written with a chalk stick. Basically, you can put any message on the box and it will appear as something written by chalk on the chalkboard. For example, I can put subscribe to Online Money Machine on this box. Then it will reflect in the chalkboard as something like this. The finished result can be downloaded to your computer as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can also share it with your friends on social media. I just have a word of caution for you. When you download this image, do not use this download button to avoid exporting an image with a watermark. Instead, click this button. This will allow the picture to be downloaded without any watermark. There is also a button that says Photo Editor. You can click this button and it will allow you to change the background of the photo. Press the button that says Download a Picture. After that, you can now select the image that you want to use as your background. There are also options that allow you to customize your image. You can either change its direction, resize it, and put special effects on it. There are also other frames that you can apply to your image. Aside from that, there are other settings that you can apply to your image on this website. Now, there is another website that will allow you to create this kind of image. In this site, it is called hitemail.com. In the site, you will be able to create an image with text that looks like Albert Einstein's handwriting. It is actually cool because it's Albert Einstein, one of the greatest people on Earth. For the step-by-step process, you just need to input a text inside this box. For example, you can put Welcome to Online Money Machine. After that, this will be the final result. You just need to save the image on your computer afterwards. Now, you can earn money from this by selling it on the internet. You might be asking yourself how you can earn money from these images. Well, You just need to go to Fiverr.com to get paid for those images. There are a lot of people that are buying services from this platform. They are willing to pay $5 up to $10,000 for the services that they are looking for. Imagine the amount of money that you might be able to get from accessing this website. Now, you need to sign up for an account on this site. Do not worry because the signing up process is free. After signing up, you will offer your services to people from all over the world. Once you get your own client, you just need to provide them with excellent customer service and you will get paid for it. Of course, the best way to see and to experience this site is by going and trying out yourself. Do not exit this video too because I will show you some examples and proof that this technique works. There is also a special website that I will tell you about later that will ease our work. When you scroll and explore Fiverr, you will see different categories such as graphics and design, digital marketing, writing, translation, and many more. Look for the search bar and type your message on. Press enter to look for the results that involve the keywords that we put. The result will show you that there are people offering various ways to deliver a message for their clients. It can be sent as a voiceover, video, or other creative format that they can think about. The list is endless. Thus, we should narrow it down by adding the word Einstein at the end of our keywords. Press the search button again and it will reveal the results with such keywords. Now listen carefully as I will explain how you can do this properly. For example, we will choose this service right here. All you need to do is to click it so that you will be redirected to another page. The title of this service says that he/she can put your message on the blackboard as if it is written by Albert Einstein himself. With this service, it is easy to assume that they can put whatever text the client wants on the blackboard. The amount of money that you can get for doing this kind of service can get as high as $25. Imagine, you just need to create an image like this and you can easily get paid over and over again for that. I have another tip for you. You can also use other templates aside from Albert Einstein. You can use the template of Uncle Sam or Quacker for your own images. In this way, you can expand the service that you're offering. In turn, you will also be able to increase the amount of money that you can earn. With this online knowledge in mind, you can already start your own online money-making journey. So what are you waiting for? Go up and create some images that you can sell online. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.